Welcome to TechieLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a black screen problem on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, as you can see, I have the black screen issue on my screen right now. And to fix this, what I need to do is to simply go ahead and open my task manager. But graphically, I cannot do that. So I need to do it using my keyboard shortcut. So just go to your keyboard and click on the left side at Control, Shift, and Escape together. That is Control, Shift, and Escape. Click it and you'll see your task manager open up. And from there, make sure you're in Processes tab. And from here, you need to search for Windows Explorer. If you find that, just restart it. And if you don't, that's alright. What you have to do is just click on File. Then just click on Run New Task. Then in here, type explorer.exe. Again, explorer explorer.exe and hit OK. This is gonna restart the Windows Explorer for you. And after that, what you can do is just close this. And as you can see, my problem has been fixed. If your problem is still there, what you need to do is just click on Control, Shift, and B, and that will reset your graphics drivers. You can just try to do this, and this will reset your GPU. And basically that is it. And that is how to fix black screen problem on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.